DGS hosts multiple college rep visits throughout the year which can be accessed through schoolings. These visits are hosted in the College and Career Center, where Miss Witt, a College and Career Center administrative assistant, talks about getting info about these visits, when they are, and signing up for them.
New this year, I have been promoting through Parent Square. So the parents of juniors and seniors, because juniors and seniors are the ones who can attend these visits, and also promoting through the TV, which is new this year as well. It is required to sign up for these visits. So juniors and seniors can register through school links to sign up for the visit, and depending on the number of students signed up, I do have a max of 30 students who can attend the visit, and usually you need to register 4 days before the event happens. The visits are on non-block days, so Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, and we run them second period through 7th. The colleges themselves register for this event. We just offer the times. We try to offer a variety of times so it works with student schedules.
I also talked to Ms. Pearson, an admissions counselor for the Chicago region at Indiana State University, about what students should expect and the importance of these visits.
I believe in higher education. I am a huge advocate for higher education. I think it is important. Kids are our future, and if they do not know about colleges and what they have to offer, their likelihood of going is very slim. So I love taking the time. I love what I do, talking to students about my university specifically, and then just other opportunities that other universities might have. Whatever questions they have answered first. I'm pretty knowledgeable. This university specifically is my alum, so I know quite a lot about it. Even if you're kind of just curious, even if you're like in freshman or sophomore year and you're not quite sure of the direction of college that you want to go to, definitely just get involved. That way you can kind of understand what it's going to be like when that time comes for you to start really looking more in depth into colleges.
In Downing's Room with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Adrian Harris.